right, so you guys saw that I already figured out the gearing. We're running 967 first. The motor, the V3 motor, ended up already coming, so we're gonna unbox that real quick. And I went ahead and took the V2 out that I had in there, put it back in where it belongs. And oh, and the new front wheel and tire came, which is awesome. So that's ready. Eventually, I'll be putting this system in the back in the yellow. I'm hoping I can get an extended swing arm for the RSF 650 one day, because I really don't want to go back to the chain tensioner. But anyway, we got a crying baby, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing. All right, so this is going to be a really quick unboxing. I got two baby girls, basically. One's 3 and one's 1.5. Badass sticker as usual. Let's just dump it carefully. This is the V3. It's my first V3. So I had one V1. Whoever saw it, I did 1544, burnt the motor out, so I sent that back in. They'll get that on Friday. And then I had ended up buying 2 more after that, and they were both V2s. The one that was in the SX 500 build that I did is also a V2. So I've had a total of 3 V2s. And this is my first V3, and I will be getting the V1 back, but very nice. Looks very similar to a V2 here. I know that the V3 supposedly is a lot better in here internally. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and put the V3 in here. I'm gonna do it off camera, man. Like I said, we'll be putting the 967 in. And I'm pretty sure that's going to be geared too low. It's 7.44. So we'll probably end up going to the 10 tooth, 1067. And if I don't like that, which I probably will, I can go back to an 1167 or back to the 954, which is very similar. 1167, 954, pretty much the same. I think 954 is 6 and 1167 would be 6.07. Anyway, so that's basically it. Let me take this off the mount and get a quick little... Nice. All right. Get the EC4P V3 in. 967. It came pretty fast.